Hello everyone! Today we continue working with a multifunctional pattern for the dresses. Last time we started making a dress, and today we'll continue working with it. I'm showing you how to tack the dress. Very nice. All the details match. This is the princess seam which turns into the pocket. This is how the pockets will look like. The pocket is just tacked, it's not ironed. This is how it looks like from the right side. You can see that it's a bit wider than usual. And this is how it looks like from the wrong side. When I stitch, iron and steam the pockets, they will look much better. Anyway, I'm just showing you the technique. Next, I'll show you how to tack the second side. I've already tacked the first part of the pocket bag. Next, I'll tack the second part of the pocket bag. This is the waistline. I need to match the checkpoints to start tacking. Notice that these sides match. It's very convenient to work when you make checkpoints. I remind you that this is the waistline. I tack the first part of the pocket back to the dress, then match the checkpoints and tack the part of the side seam. Next, I need to tack the pocket back. Let me show it to you. Here it is. I need to pin the checkpoints before I start tacking. Tack the pocket slowly and carefully. Notice that all the details match perfectly. This edge will be stitched, folded, and then stitched again, so that it's hidden inside the pocket. Next, I need to tack the princess seams. They should be tacked up from the checkpoints. If you draw and cut everything accurately, all the details will match. Have a look here. These are the princess seams which turn into pockets. You can make pin tucks here if you want. I like the pockets the way they are. The front is ready, and the back is also ready. Here it is. Next, I'll tack the side and the shoulder seams off the camera. You already know how to do it. Match the notches on the waistline to start tacking. Now I'm taking the second shoulder seam. This is how the dress looks like now. Here are the pockets. I remind you that one part of the pocket bag was cut together with the sleeves. Only the lower part of the pocket bag was cut separately. Let's move on to the collar. If you want to make a turtleneck collar, you should have at least half a meter of fabric for it. A collar should be cut on a bias. This is the lengthwise and the crosswise grains. The fabric is folded on a bias. First, I need to cut a square piece of fabric. The first line should be 33 cm long, 32 cm wide neckline, and 1 cm for a seam. Make sure that all the angles are right. This line is 33 centimeters long. Draw one more line this way. It's parallel to the fold, so it will also be cut in the bias. This line should be 35 centimeters long. I make it 35 centimeters long because I want to make a 4-layer collar. The collar is almost ready. I want to show you how to prepare it once again. I want you to be able to make it look and fit well. I watched a lot of videos on how to make turtleneck collars. I think that these people know how to make them in theory, but they never actually made them. I want you to know how to do things. This is why I prefer not to tell you a lot, but to show you some really useful details and techniques. Today I want to show you how to make a turtleneck collar. This side is as wide as one half of the neckline. This side is 35 centimeters long. Have a look here. This is how the collar looks like now. The middle part was cut in the bias. It should be steamed and stretched. We can stretch it this way, because in this case there will be a fold here. I will show you how to stretch fabric this way. When I fold the stretch collar this way, this part will fit perfectly. Let's go to the ironing desk. This is going to be a turtleneck collar. I remind you that this piece of fabric was cut in the bias. Now I need to steam and stretch it. This part should be made wavy. Watch what I'm doing. Don't stretch the edges. They should match the neckline. Have a look at this part. It looks just like it should. I'm telling you once again that the edges shouldn't be stretched. The more you stretch it, the more round this fold is. This is what it means to prepare a turtleneck collar. Have a look at this turtleneck collar. It's stretched in the middle. I've already tacked the center back, and now I need to make notches on the center front. Next I'll pin the collar, seam to the seam and notch to the notch. This is how the turtleneck collar looks like now. This side was stretched. When I pin the collar, I'll take it to the neckline. I need to pin the center front to the center front and the center back to the center back. Notice that the collar matches the neckline perfectly. When I tack the collar, I'll try the dress on. Have a look at the tacked dress. The princess seams turn into pockets. This is how the collar looks like. This is a very nice dress. I remind you that this dress was made using the same pattern as for the previous 4 dresses. Next, I'll try the dress on. Have a look at me. I hope that you love the dress. I love the way it fits me. I think that the princess seams look pretty good. They make me look slimmer. The pockets are very comfortable, as well as the collar. Have a look at the sleeves. This is the 5th dress made using this pattern. I'll show you many more designs. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.